Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Today we are going to work on a hypothesis, actually normal distribution problem. Um, Regarding my background, I have been teaching stats for the last 15 years at a local public state university, and I make my living out of stats. So I know what I'm doing. I'll show you the quick steps you can take to solve this kind of problem in AP Stats exam. So here I go. So the particular problem reads, an automated silo fills bags with wheat. A standard jute bag holds 18 pounds of wheat. If the filling machine operates with a standard deviation of 0.15 pounds, what setting would guarantee that the bags were filled more than 95% of the time without spilling? More than 95% without spilling. Okay, the weight of the bags are 18 pounds, standard deviation is 0.15 pounds, and we want to find the particular setting of the machine which will ensure that more than 95% of the bags will meet the requirements. So, this is a normal distribution problem, okay, as you can guess. So, let me go to the next slide. Okay. So the mean of the normal distribution bell-shaped curve is 180. Standard deviation is given as 0.15. We need to find the setting X for the machine such that 95% of the area will be above that X, because more than 95% of the time the bags will be filled with correctly to meet the requirements. So the area to the right of the unknown X is 0.95, or the area below X is 100 minus 95, or 5% of the time, or 0.05. So X is actually the fifth percentile. Percentile means what percent of the area is below. In this case, 1 minus 0.95 is 0.05, and we have to use that area when we will use our calculator TI-84 to solve this problem. So in the calculator, we will press the second key first, then the verse key, which is in the third row, then select number 3, which is in norm. In norm is used to find the value of the unknown variable x, random variable, when the area below is known. Okay, area below that x is known, but x itself is not known. In this case, uh, area is 0.05 below that unknown x, which we plug in at area 0.05. Remember, in this case, please do not plug in 0.95, which is the area on top of the x. We got to plug in the percentile area, which is the area below x, which is 1 minus 0.95, which is 0.05. The mean is mu is 180, standard deviation sigma is 0.15, and then we go down to the PEST on the calculator screen and operate that function by hitting enter twice. And the answer comes straight away to us as 179.75. That is, if the machine is set to 179.75, more than 95% of the bags will meet the requirements of the shipping. I stop here today. You may still have some questions. You can always shoot me a question at subus, at actually snandy88 at gmail.com, or you can ask me a question in the comments area, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Okay. Take care. Have a nice day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.